Welcome friends, welcome to our new product review video. So let's start it our new video. Okay.
Let me show you what 6 AI branding agents can do with one logo in under 60 seconds. First thing, I set up my brand and I only do this once. You put your brand name, you put your tagline over here, and then select the brand identity, the industry that you're in, the type of phone that you want to use, the brand description. You can set your brand colors, accent colors, everything, and upload your brand logo. For this one, I'm going to use mine. So I'm going to just save my brand right now. That's a complete brand identity locked in. Every single mockup, every single brand asset that I will generate from here is automatically on brand every time. Okay, set it once and done forever. Now, this is where it gets serious. Here you can find your full branding team ready to take your actions. Okay, this is not a single mockup generator, not a single image generator. It's a complete full AI powered brand team that is allowing you to create multiple brand assets for your business or for other people's businesses. And once you're here, all you have to do is just pick your pack type. Let's say we want to create a full brand pack. Although we have the e-commerce pack, packaging pack, social launch, signage and retails, agency presentation, apparel and merch, corporate identity, food and beverage, book and publishing, event, trade shows, voucher gifts, and I'll go with full brand pack for this demo. And as a creative direction, I will choose premium. And as a mockup style, I can just let AI auto decide this one. I'm also going to select my brand settings. And as preferences, I'm just going to disable this one and move to the launch brand theme. And look at this pipeline. You set up, then you get the full brief. We approve the brief, and then we continue with the plan. We see the full plan, what is about to be generated and created. We're going to be approving the plan, and we're going to continue to generate, and then we're just going to generate outputs. And let the AI team go to work. It writes the brief, it plans which mockups to generate, it picks the best templates for my brand, and it produces an entire brand package as I sit back and relax, and boom, it's done. Look at that. One session, multiple mockups, different categories, all on brand, all photorealistic, and all coordinated by a branding theme. Let's just look at this one. This is actually looking really, really good. We've got our own store over here in the middle of the city, which is nice. We got the business cards. Let's say we got a premium looking laptop with our brand website over here. Then we got a t-shirt generated with our brand, a shipping box, all branded beautifully. Some of the results that we got created with the tool itself. So look at that. This is actually the ones that we just generated. These are the ones that I've done for one of our clients. Let's just go ahead and dig into this one. Okay, let's see. Yeah, and this is the another one that we've been doing for some of our agency clients as well. On brand for gardening, for dental offices, for you name it, you can do it with ClawBrand AI. Okay, just look at this. We got our ClawBrand on a van, and then we got on a banner roll, and then we got on a billboard. Let's see, here's another version of beautiful looking premium business cards. Let's see what else. This is a merch collection with our brand on it. Corporate identity style. Let's see what else we have. Let me just scroll to the next page as we have a couple more interesting one. Books covering different billboards in the city. You name it, this is another cool one. Our neon glowing brand on a wall. And it can go forever. Now, this is what you'd pay an agency anywhere from $2,000 to deliver. And the AI team just did it in a single session, under 60 seconds. Now, there's more to it. If you want to go template by template and, select the kind of brand assets that you want to generate, you can do that as well. because we have over 168 templates available from 13 different categories, from apparel and wearables to print and stationaries to packaging and products, software boxes, digital screens, like all kind of displays you can put it on, outdoors and signage, billboards, car wraps. We got also promotional items like ceramic mugs, pens, flash drives, stickers, and we got the books, and we also got the publishing media. We got food and beverages, and home and office, so you can even put it on pillows, calendars, desk mats, bath towels, whatever, events and exhibitions, booth, display stands, event tickets, wristband, conference name, speaker podium, whatever, we have it there. There are also the pro scenes where we can get more granular and add it in all kind of scenes over here, which is really, really premium looking style. Like this Pro Boutique Hotel key card inside of a sleeve. Okay, so let me show you how this actually works. Let's go ahead on a digital screen and let's just go with this laptop template. We're just gonna use our brand logo and then click customize. You can use the background color that we have, or you can just describe the kind of background that you want. I can just go ahead and add extra details over here. I can add shadow effects, reflections, glossy finish, whatever you think it's needed. And let's just go ahead and click generate mockup. Now there it is. Let me just make this bigger. Now look at the lightning, the shadows, the reflections, photorealistic, not a Canva template. That looks like it was a shot in a studio, and all in under 60 seconds. A freelancer designer charges anywhere from $200 to $500 for this kind of generations. Also the brand craft, which if you don't have a logo, no worries, we can help you generate one with this simple wizard. You just need to fill in your name, fill in the details, and at the end you'll also get your first brand logo. Let's go ahead and say tool. This is what we're going to be creating, and then we can go with royal purple. Let's go ahead and select next. We got the color palette, then we just select a display and then next, and then just generate logos, and in about 30 to 60 seconds we will have our first logo variations created and our brand identity also created for a brand new business. Okay, and look at that. We already have our first um, logo batch generated. And actually, I like this quite a bit. So I'm going to go with this one. And I'm going to continue and allow the Brandcraft Studio to also generate me the brand mockups for this particular new brand that I've just set up. And it's that easy. It's point and click. You don't need to have design skills. And boom, look at that. Beautiful letterhead and stationery already generated. Our business cards, social media kit, and even a storefront signage has been generated. This is looking really good. Okay, and if we don't want it, we can just regenerate or just save the ones that has been created. Okay, so of course ClawBrand AI has some extra features that comes with certain upgrades, and of course, let's say you might want to remove backgrounds. We also have this covered. You just need to click on your library and just click remove backgrounds, and then you're gonna have your mockup with no background set whatsoever. So this is a fully PNG file that you can basically download immediately. So let me tell you that ClawBrand AI, it's not a mockup tool. It's not an image generation. It is a full agentic AI branding studio. Oh, and ClawBrand AI comes with commercial license, which means you can use this for yourself and you can use this for your clients right from the get-go. You just watched me demo everything in front of your eyes. Go ahead, click on the button on this page, join ClawBrand AI and enhance your brand today.